going to the salvation. I've got the power back now.
He's big around the corner, isn't he?
Yeah, very good.
Motherfucker. Ah, get out.
My engine's blown up.
Is it? That was your bottom end?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
What shall I do?
Wait, you get recovery. I think we're meant to get out of the car, aren't we?
Should we get in the car?
I don't know yet. I don't know what's going on.
Shall I pop the bonnet?
No, don't do anything yet. You'll get towed back. Fucking hell, that's insane. Yeah, red.
Hmm?
Red. Motherfuck.
Did you see the smoke at the back?
No?
There's a massive cloud of smoke.
Was there? And that just might be your head gasket.
You reckon?
Yeah. Hopefully. Something simple. There we go. I think we're meant to get out the car, but...
Should I get out?
Turn the ignition off. It is oil. We need about 4 or 5 bodies off it, please. Right, okay, the ignition is off.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Should we get out? Shall I help you, mate?
Well, no, it's all right, no, it's all right.
No, stay in the car.
What is it, mate?
You don't know yet.
Can you just dangle the shovel over the pit wall for Steve when he comes around, please? Shoes on the pit line then.
Oh, it's all gone put down there. Okay, right.
Something oil.
If anything, we tow it off on the down on the back. Right, come along here, you drag it out.
What is it? Do you know what the problem is?
Well, it looks like it's, you know, you've blown the engine, that's for sure. There's oil everywhere. Something's gone out sideways, possibly down as well.
Right.
Okay.
Piston.
Oh, shitloads.
Motherfucker.
Oil is there?
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm just looking at the oil because obviously you've dumped all oil on the track and stuff like that. Dare I suggest your day is over, fella, I'm afraid.
No,
Right,
mate.
put the key back in the ignition and turn it, don't turn the ignition on, but just because we want to recover.
Right.
There, okay? Don't.
Right.
So the steering lock is off,
Lock
right?
there,
And you're in neutral.
Yeah.
Right, when we tow you back, go off.
The engine's gone. It's done its life.
I know, but that bloody light.
It was saying the same
Yeah.
right thing.
I did say bottom end, didn't I? Something weren't right, was it?
No. The car was going.
And they reckon your car goes fastest before it blows up. They reckon it goes savage. That's that bloody Porsche.
Yeah, it was.
We got to get it recovered by the AA now.
Yeah.
Oh no. At least you don't have to pay for fuel on the way back.
Fuck me, I've got loads of fuel now.
Yeah, but you still stay in the tank. I want to have a look at the engine, Lee. You're not allowed out.
Right, the engine is blown on this one, it's all everywhere. It's pig wristband 1919. Guys going to tow it back on the grass because of the any to save any further contamination. I'm going to go along the grass and come back.
Yeah, it stinks.
Right, okay. I'm leaving it on the half lock. You're not going to be towed that fast. Have you been towed at all before?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so when you get going, the steering, without the engine, your steering's going to feel a bit heavy,
Yeah.
and certainly the brakes. Pump the brake pedal now half a dozen times until has it gone hard?
It's hard already.
Right, so when you're moving, right, just bear in mind that you're going to use more effort.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay? So,
car with not a complete bonnet width.
right, okay. Yeah, so just keep, as you do at the moment, come over a little bit, follow the white line down, and then keep in line with him. When he slows down, just keep it taut, because you don't want to roll over it.
Okay.
Alright, he's going to tow you back into the club.
Good, mate. Oil flip.
The all oil.
Alright,
Is that bottom end gone?
he said something's gone sideways and down, so that could be a piston. Put your hand on the handbrake, I'll do that. Let's use that.
Brake don't work.
Yeah, that's why you got to use the handbrake now. You want that tight, yeah, like that. Oh, it's a nightmare. The brakes will work, it's just you have to use them like fuck.
It don't work.
Mostly use that handbrake on.
That's what I'm going to do if I need it.
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh well. Save out a bit more money and I'll get a proper engine.
Well, not really, you could forge this one, couldn't you?
I could do.
Yeah. I'd forge it, Ozzy. You spent all the money having it fitted, haven't you?
Yeah.
We should have put some bloody oil,
I've got oil in the car.
have you?
I checked it was fine.
Yeah, isn't it? Free boy loves it.
The door open.
That's better than army.
Yeah.
What is that? It's recording.
Everyone's like, whoa!
Fucking hell, that was a lot of smoke, wasn't it?
Yeah. Everything locked up. Have you noticed how I managed to park up so perfectly?
Yeah. Yeah, the whole back end came out, didn't it?
Yeah. If I didn't know how to drift, mate, I would be in that ditch.
Yeah, probably.
Because everything locked. I didn't know what to do.
Did it?
Yeah. Everything just locked.
A bit embarrassing, isn't it? We're getting-
Oh no, it's normal, isn't it? Anything can happen.
Oh, Porsche man, he was first, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh, my engine's fucked. Where's James?
He's recording you, mate, back there.
Where?
Well, we're going on the track now. Mate, this is the skiddiest bit of the track. That's not too bad, is it?
I chucked so much oil.
Mate, that was burning it. I've never seen so much oil.
What should I do with it when it's full? Turbo it?